If you're not sure where to start with prepping your Christmas dinner, start with these. Hi, I'm Jenna, an EHO and food safety expert, otherwise known as Food Safety Mum, and from now until Christmas, I'm going to be sharing all the tips, advice and make-ahead recipes you need to get organised in the kitchen this Christmas. Now, these are possibly the easiest, quickest food to prep ahead, and that is of course the king of Christmas dinner, pigs in blankets. Or are they the best thing on the Christmas dinner? I'll let you decide. So you want to start off with your chipolatas and some smoked streaky bacon. That's all you need. But remember that because you're making these ahead of time, you're going to be freezing these. So it's important to use sausages and bacon that hasn't already been frozen and defrosted. And when it comes to how many to make, I recommend making enough for 2 per person with a few extras thrown in for good measure. So all you need to do is stretch the bacon with the back of your knife. This helps to stop it unrolling when they're cooking, and then roll it up as tightly as possible. Okay, so now that's done, these are ready to be frozen. Now when it comes to freezing them, grab a Tupperware. You don't want to be open freezing these because it will mean that raw meat is open in your freezer. So instead, grab a Tupperware and some baking paper. And then all you need to do is pop the pigs into the Tupperware, making sure they're not touching, and use the baking paper to create layers so that they're not touching and get stuck together. Okay, so these are ready to go in the freezer, and you can freeze these like this overnight or for around 4 to 6 hours, and then transfer them to a freezer bag so that they take up less room in your freezer. And it's as easy as that. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. I'm be dropping 2 videos every single week to help you prep ahead for Christmas and all the advice you need if you're cooking.